Far from the sun-drenched beaches and warm waters usually associated with surfing, chasing big waves has drawn Ross, Tom and Ben to some of the wildest, coldest and most exotic places on the planet.
It's a completely different buzz to surf something new. It's a discovery. Stamping your pole on the Everest out there.
So far it's taken them from the shark-infested breaks of South Africa to surfing a typhoon in Japan. They've begun exploring the untapped coastline of Tasmania.
We've found a wave off the northwestern tip of Tasmania.
You're kidding. Oh, look at that. Over there.
And most recently, ventured to the icy extremes of the South Island of New Zealand.
That's on the backside.
We hear about a location through stories from fishermen, local surfers, through myth, and then we get Ben to actually analyse the area and see if there's any truth to the story, and then we attack it.
With up to 30 storms happening at any one time around the world, Ross, Tom and Ben are prepared to go anywhere in the pursuit of the next giant wave. Part of being a big wave surfer means risking your life every time you take off on a wave. Sometimes things can go very wrong, as Ross discovered one day at Shipsterns Bluff in Tasmania.
Faster!
No, faster.
Ross is pummeled by tons of icy water in the direction of the shallow rock ledge. Tom races in after him.
Yeah, 1 foot in.
In the Wipeout, Ross's ankle is caught in the foot strap of his 20-kilogram board. It could have been a whole lot worse.
Stand on it, Ross.
Just give me a second. Actually, it was quite a spectacle for myself. I mean, I was upside down, sliding around on this vest, so the buoyancy I couldn't penetrate. I was in the barrel. I was actually in a good position. That wasn't the thing. I was reefing my ankle in the foot strap, which really hurt. I've done it before a couple of years ago, and I was out for a couple of weeks.
Big wave. Each cubic metre of seawater in this wave weighs just over 1 tonne. The wave itself stands at